organization can be another form of art. Having a dedicated space for your tools is not only time savings, it is a blessing. There is a place for every specific tool, and your tools are ready to be used at any time. In this video, we are going to show you how we increase the productivity of our atelier. Levier fine writing instruments. We provide unique and one-of-a-kind writing instruments. These pens are available to our worldwide viewers. Levier casting products. Our new line of pen castings are available also to our worldwide viewers. These castings are made with world-class quality and state-of-the-art equipment and techniques. In any project, safety has to be priority number one and quality as our second priority. It is important to use and follow all the safety guidelines that are available with your tools. Continuous improvement is a philosophy that we apply to all our pen projects and our casting products. Because we are adding new tools, equipment to our atelier, it is now time to do a relocation or a change in our layout. Because we believe in recycling, we are going to use most of the wood that we had in our previous cabinets. This is also a good exercise to eliminate all the waste, chemicals, tools, and components that are no longer needed. We are going to follow two basic rules. Rule number one, use proper safety equipment. Rule number two, measure twice and cut once. We made a CAD drawing of our cabinets, and also we took the time to measure each specific case or toolbox that we are going to accommodate in our new cabinets. But because these cabinets are going to be adjustable, we can accommodate for new tools, new boxes, or a relocation of our tools. We're going to build these cabinets by using the pocket hole technology. This jig in combination with our chop bag will help us eliminate all the dust and debris, and it will make a better working environment. In this view, we are using the pocket hole jig in the longer pieces. This is the benefit of using the master system, that we can use it on small pieces of wood like the shelves and the main walls of our cabinets. The shelf pin jig is going to be beneficial and time saving to do the adjustable shelf system. Our CAD model shows that we don't have to go all the way doing the holes. We are going to make 6 holes, then we are going to add a space, and we are going to proceed this way until we achieve our design. It is now time to move to the assembly process. With this system, it's pretty straightforward. We are able to achieve a 90-degree by just bonding the two parts together. We are using a square to validate the assembly process. This is the top view of our cabinet, but because the cabinet is going to be too tall, the pocket holes are not going to be able to be seen. The preliminary assembly process has been completed. As we can see, we have the two laterals, the top and the bottom, and some supports installed in our cabinet. Equal spacing in the adjustable shelves in 4 levels. And we are almost ready to start doing the installation of this cabinet to the wall in our atelier. We take pride in our pen projects and also in our casting products. This is not a cabinet, it is a work of art that requires our signature. The next set of cuts that we are going to do are going to be for the adjustable shelves. We are measuring and validating that our marks are made in the proper area. The combination of the circular saw and the table saw are going to provide the accuracy that we need. Remember rule number 2. Measure twice and cut once. For the table saw, you need a push stick and a push block. It is not recommended to work without the blade guard in the table saw. We remove it so you can see the cuts in the video. The cabinet project that we are doing consists in 3 modules. There are going to be 2 symmetrical lateral cabinets. These are going to be installed on a vertical position. They are going to be narrow, but they are going to be tall. The third one is going to be an horizontal cabinet. This horizontal cabinet is going to have 4 different storage areas. Phase 1 of our project has been achieved. It is now time to put the trimming in the cabinets. As you can see, there are still a lot of work that we need to do for the organization of our atelier. For the door installation, we are going to make our own jig. These are the doors that we had in our previous cabinets, so what we are doing is just cutting them into the proper length and width. It is now time to check the installation. A perfect fit. It is now time to see the end result of the new layout and cabinets that we made for our atelier. We have now a specific space for each particular tool. Our tools are clean and ready to be used. Better yet, we know what we have and we know where it is located. Now that our atelier is completed, it is now time to move to our casting products and our pen projects. If you would like more information about our unique and one-of-a-kind writing instruments, or our casting products, send us an email and we will reply with the requested information. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.